Alright, peeps. Got it today. And when I first got it, the first video you saw was kind of real tight. Like, it wouldn't even drop down the handles. So I loosened the Zen pins, which I have the Walmart brand. And that, like, they might strip it out, so I loosened them a little bit. Might have to end up taking them all the way out if I get some good ones. Putting Loctite on them blue. And then, I couldn't find my oil that I normally use, so all I had was some dry lube stuff. And you know what? It worked pretty good. I got lucky. I was thinking, oh man, it's gonna stick, and it still one handle stick just a little bit, but I guess you work it out. Anything's better than these. Which these were, good for beginners. I mean, I can't knock them. And I'll tell you the pros and the cons in case you want to get one. First off, it's kind of slick. Not a whole lot of grip, but it's not too bad. It says Zen pins. Real light. Got a little bit of tap because, of course. And loosen them up. They're loosening just a little bit, or get some Loctite on them. But not too bad. One bad thing about it is really blade heavy. So anything like fanning, oh my god, that's hard. So I still also got to get better at it anyway. But other than that, anything else. Plus, it's still kind of tight. So. I mean, I'm really digging them. I like them better than what I had. I like a light hour, compared to the other ones. The tang is where I really like the sound. You're running. I can tell I'll get better already with these. Just the first few minutes, like certain things are a lot easier with them. I believe I might actually be able to learn, I guess, ladders with them. Maybe not today, but being as light as they are now, I'm wondering, I don't know, scared that on the concrete they hit too hard, they not able to bend the crap out of them, so as far as outside, I have to play with them other ones. I ain't really tried to roll over with a good one yet. Anyway, I'll try that shit tomorrow. Just want to give y'all an update. I'll probably loosen up some more too. I'll probably have to keep them tight. But like I said, only thing is blade heavy. That's all it is. Fanning is like super weird. Also, I believe that one handle is going to loosen up some more too. Also, but little things like the twisting and stuff like that. A little better. I think I just got to work them out a couple of days, that's all. Gotta do that James Hill thing he done. Can you do it? But yeah. Pipe Protect. Go to buds.com. $30. I mean, get them in 6 days. I mean, they're better than these. I mean, these were good. It's just you can't tune them because they're super heavy. I mean, times I jacked my fingers up with it, but they taught me a lot too. You know what I'm saying? Oh. And then these weren't bad. You know, Amazon, $16. Anyway. So that's my corny review on those. I like them. You gotta get used to them until I can order some better ones. I mean, for the money, you really can't beat them. $14, $13, $30. I mean, it's kind of cool. Alright. Hope I can learn some shit on it. Peace.